Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the C drive is full issue on your Windows 11 or 10. So if your C drive is full and you want to release some data from it, so this video is for you. I will show you how to fix this issue. So step number one issue will be you can extend the C drive. If you have the more space in your D drive, so you can open the disk management first. Type a disk mgmt.msc and open it as admin. Now once you open it, you need to format your next drive to the C drive. As you can see here, I have the H drive next to C, so you need to format that, but I can't do that since I have the NTFS file and basic partition on it, so I cannot delete it. So if you have enough data in it, so you can backup your data from D drive or H drive to another drive which you have the space, or even you can put your data into the external drive for some time and then you can delete your D drive. Once you delete your D drive guys, you need to right click on your C drive and you should be able to see the extend volume option. It should be enabled. If it is gray out, so you can use the third party tool to enable the C drive, and you can even extend the D drive from here if the drive is not next to C drive. But you should have the free data and free space on your hard drive or the SSD. But if you don't have any data on it and you want to analyze it, so you can do with the basic settings of Windows 11 or 10. Click on start menu, then click on settings, and once you click on setting, you need to go to system option here, and after that you need to look for storage option here, as you can see here. And once you see the storage option, click on show more categories and it will try to give you all the information which you can utilize. As you can see here, I have temporary files of 10 GB, install app 7 GB, so you can simply delete your temporary files. In my case, I can delete the temporary file and do not do anything with the system reserved file. Even you can uninstall the unused apps. So I'm going to first delete the temporary files here. As you can see here, it was showing before 10 GB. View updates. Okay, let me go back, download. And you can remove the file from here. You just need to leave the download option here. If you select here the download, all the data will be deleted from our download, so you can tick these options and only leave the download option, then you can remove it. Then click on next. So once you release and delete all the temporary files from here, you can go back here and check back. So this is the first step. Okay, now open the run command simply and type here percentage temp percentage and press the enter key. Now Control A to select all and Shift plus delete button to delete all the files here. Close it. Again Windows plus R button and this time type only temp and press the OK key. Select all of them and delete them. Next command is prefetch, prefetch, and hit OK. Now delete all the files if you have here. I don't have it. So again Windows plus R button and type here cleanmgr. This is very important. cleanmgr, cleanmgr, and hit OK. And once you hit OK, you need to select your system files as well. Let me show you that option as well. So while it is taking time, we can go to control panel and we can check the unused apps on our Windows while it is running. Go to category wise, then select app programs, uninstall programs, and you can uninstall the program which you don't use. Let's say you don't use that, so you can uninstall that program easily, and you will get some free data on your computer after that. Check all the program one by one and delete unused program, and once you delete the unused program, you should able to get more data on your system. So I'm still not able to check the data which is taking more space on my hard drive. So we can use the third-party tool for that, and that is WinDIR tool. WinDIR state. Click on first link and go to here download option on the left hand side and simply download its MSI package here. Once you download its MSI package here, you just need to run it. So double click on this. Okay, click on next, accept it, next, and you can create the shortcut. Click on next and click on install. So let's check, it is still running, guys. Let's wait here. So basically what you need to do is, for the cleanmgr, click on system, delete system files from here, and those files will be windows.old files if you have upgraded your Windows or reset your Windows. So you can select that and you can tick all the options, and then you can delete all the data, and this is only temporary data, there is no loss of your data. So let me finish it. Now let me launch the WinDIR tool. Now you can select your C drive and then click on OK. And once you click on OK, this will give you all the details which is taking more space on your system. You just need to wait here, it will go from here to here, and after that I'm pretty sure you should able to see all the data, including the program data, whatever you want to give, like users, which is taking more space on your system. And you have to wait here, guys. So I'm pausing, I'm stopping the video for now, and you have to wait here. You should able to get all the results here. After that you can take the actions accordingly. So I hope, guys, this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.